We're in session of cause number 324160. The case is filed, the state of Texas versus Cleavon Demetrius Buxton. We have Mr. Buxton present in court with his attorneys, Mr. Corey Crenshaw, and his attorney, Mr. Jansen Bailey. We also have present the state assistant district attorneys, Ms. Julie Maxey and Mr. Raymond Shearer. The court has been informed that the jury has reached a verdict in this case. Yes. Foreman, is this a unanimous verdict?
Yes, sir.
And is it one that is agreed upon by all the jurors?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Foreperson, you may be seated. Mr. Cleavon Demetrius Buxton, would you please stand? We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty. Does anyone like to poll the jurors? State?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you may be seated. The court has found that the verdict is a unanimous verdict of all the members of the jury, and that verdict is not guilty. And first of all, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'd like to thank you for your time and attention that you spent on this case. Also, I'd like to thank you for your patience. And we are happy to see that all of you are safe from the COVID virus. We know that last time we got together here on the case was August 5th, when we had to go on a recess, and the day is July 7th of 2021. So again, we'd like to thank you for your time and attention that you have paid to this verdict. Ordinarily, I would come down and shake your hand, but because of the COVID protocols, I guess I'll give everyone an air handshake. And now, ladies and gentlemen, jury, this will conclude your services here today. Now, you can talk to the attorneys if you desire to do so. You do not have to. If you do not want to, talk to any one of the attorneys in the case. Now, if you need anything for your job, they are closed right now, right? Okay. If they're still open, we're gonna have to check. We can see if we can get something for the job. If we cannot, will Jennifer be able to give them something?
Mhm.
If not, we have our clerk over here who can give you something for your job. Okay? So at this time, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, on behalf of the citizens of Jefferson County, on behalf of the staff here in County Court at Law Number 2, I'd like to thank you for the time and attention that you have spent on this case, and I would encourage you to stay safe. At this time, you are excused. Oh, the clerk did this? Yeah.
Two copies. No, you have to. You really did. I'm not saying that. Ask him. Most of the cases I want to rip out.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Having a trial
Yeah,
about it?
you're free to go.
Yes,
Yeah, you're
Do
free
you
to
have a
go.
recorder?
yes,
I'm
Kim.
gonna get a copy of this.
She already talked to Kim.
Yeah.
Ray, See if we could get the foreman's name, because she said she can't read it. This is C.
Well.
What is
my
it?
paperwork in here. I have it in my office.
Let's see if you can get them or not. I can go get it.
There was only 2 men, so.
Okay, I'm gonna go check.
It's Christopher Ron.
Christopher Ronquill.
Here it is. Here it is, right here. Look at number 8.
Oh, okay.
I know.
Look at that, like, no, I'm not.
No, yeah, you're not doing right. Yeah.
It's not Lewis, it's not Johnson or
Yeah.
Williams or some,
We used to mess with the dispatchers when we get out there with somebody, some crazy name. We give them the crazy name and we'd say common spelling.
no, whatever that is.
Brandy, how do you spell your last name?
He's gone.
S-E-W-E-L-L?
Yes, I think it is. Uh-huh.
That file is not in here. Those files are not here. I told you, I had those files on my desk.
Clay Audrey. You called earlier to talk with Mills about Clay?
Okay,
Yeah.
Clay Archer, you couldn't find those files?
I got one, but not the other one. I can't find it anywhere. I don't know. if they got
I don't
it.
know how you have one and not the other, because both of those files were together.
That's what I
So
thought.
if you got one, they should have the other. Then somebody might have misfiled it.
That's what I'm thinking. So I looked
Yeah.
around in the same color scheme and
Right.
could not find it. I'll have to keep looking.
Well, Judge, what do you think?
Hmm?
You think that's what you were anticipating or not?
Well, I mean, you never know with a jury. I just never know.
I know.
I don't even try to guess. I mean, yeah.
I was.
You just never
I
know.
felt with the 4 months, 4 week layoff, I was unsure. I felt confident when we broke.
Oh, yeah. Well, the apparent, if you was I don't think they changed it, I'm looking at, I got this thing from Edie in here, the COVID deal.
Uh,
I had it in the file.
Yeah, I put these on the
And
wall.
I'll want to.
Yeah. You just never know. I mean, you can't make up the facts.
No, you can't.
Yeah. And like I say, no case is the same, it's,
Okay, you went on.
We've tried a lot of different
Yeah, I know.
factions already over the years.
Oh, you fine.
Hmm?
Are they not guilty for?
well, I don't think he get it. That's,
I'm asking, I've
It's
never
gonna
asked.
be on the
before.
judgment.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
you'd
usually
have-
get a copy of the judgment.
yeah, I don't know about that. You might have to check with the county clerk's office on that.
Okay. It's not, honestly, it's not a big deal. All of them. I got every one
Yeah.
I've had. They're all just the jury for.